What's up, YouTube? And welcome to another episode of Down South Off-Road and Outdoor. Now, you see all this behind me, and you're probably thinking, boy, I bet those Jeeps are fun as hell in a blizzard. And you're right, they absolutely are. But do you know what's even funner in a blizzard? How about a 2021 turboed RZR that's street legal? Stay tuned. All right, guys, it looks like my ride is here. Damn, did you guys hear that blow-off valve? That shit is awesome. This thing is so fucking cool, guys. Hey, Cody, what year is this? 21. And what all did you have to do to it to make it street legal? Turn signals. Oh, he's got hazards too. All right, guys, we're gonna take a ride. So yeah, park the Jeeps. Let's take this thing. I just got to make 8 minutes worth of video. Oh shit. That is ridiculous. That turbo sounds so sick. You like my hat, don't you, motherfucker?
I really do. Like, it's unbelievable to see some of these cars out here on the road right now. A bunch of two-wheel drives. They're just stuck everywhere.
Oh, they're stuck?
Yes.
So the roads are bad?
They're bad.
We haven't been out at all.
They're bad.
And don't be out on the roads because they bad. Because we don't know how to maintenance the roads in the South. Ask me how cold my video hand is. Little slippy. We don't scrape our roads at all, guys.
I've seen one snowplow on the day.
It did half of our road and then like gave up. Did you see that? Did you notice that when you came in?
Yeah. I went all to Rico.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. I went out to Cedar Rock. Rode through Cedar Rock. It's a good example.
That ass end gets a little squirrely. Gets a little squirrely. And so here's a car that had no, we're gonna have to help. You wanna help? Yeah, might as well help. Need some help? All right, guys, that's them up the trail. I said trail, up the road. We got them out. I'm sure they'll get stuck later as well. That vehicle has no reason to be on these roads. But we're just good fucking people, Cody. Hey, finally saw a snowplow. I don't think they know where they're going. So guys, this is a main road. And as you can see, it hasn't been touched. Woo! That's probably not good for it though, is it?
I've done it.
But I don't know, it's $40,000 a year. Yeah, it would have. It would have. I'm not gonna lie. It would have been good footage if you'd have slammed my ass in that guardrail too. All right, so we found a road that's straight. No, but some of them, I think it makes it worse.
Kind of packs it down.
Yeah. Oh, you do that in four-wheel drive?
Yeah.